In this video, we will connect a custom domain to our Shopify online store. Now, the two things you would need would be, of course, a Shopify store and then a custom domain. If you don't have a Shopify store yet, then you need to go to our deals and resources page to get a link to give you the $1 per month Shopify deal. And also you would need to get a custom domain. And if you haven't purchased one, head over to the same deals and resources page. And the link will be right below this video. So this is the Shopify deal, $1 per month. You just click on get deal and it's going to redirect you to the page. And you can also scroll down to where it says buy cheap domains, $5.98. So this is a steal. You can get this for your first domain. I use Google Domains. I use Namecheap. I use GoDaddy. This is the cheapest you're going to get for now. So if you're on a budget, you can go with Namecheap for sure. If you want ease, you can definitely go with Google Domains. And in addition, Shopify also gives you the options to purchase domains. When you click on add domain here, you will see the options to buy new domain. Now that we know what we need, let's go ahead and connect our domain name to the store, Chloe and Ali, which we've been building over the series of the videos we've been publishing. If you feel lost, I need you to go back to the channel and watch all the prior videos and you will gain a clearer understanding of what we're doing. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, I need you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that you get notified every time we drop a video that's going to help you with your e-commerce journey. Let's go back to the home page, or the dashboard rather. Once you log into your Shopify, this is the dashboard you're going to see. And if you can't see the setup guide right here, it is okay. Don't panic. All right. To get to the domains, we can easily click on add domain, or we can just go to settings and click on domains right here. And it's going to bring us right to this place. Shopify does have other tutorials on how you can get a custom domain. You can buy your domain directly with Shopify, and that makes it super, super easy. And they just connect you. You don't have to deal with DNS and all that stuff. And there are so many other tutorials on DNS servers. However, let's move forward and connect our existing domains. So click on this right here, connect existing domain. And it's going to ask you the domain name. I'm going to enter Chloe and Ali, chloeandali.com, and connect this domain. I already bought it through Google Domains for ease of connecting, so we can just connect automatically. So whether you bought it from Google Domains or GoDaddy or Namecheap, it gives you this option. So you can either go manual, follow the instructions. Let's click on this, and it's going to show you how to connect your third-party domain. And you can just watch this video and it shows you the DNS servers and where to get it. Now, let's go back one step. I want to do this with the automatic option, which is very easy. So let's click on connect existing domain, chloeandali.com. Hit next and connect automatically. And it's going to pop up this new page. Okay, so it's logged in and automatically, boom, it's going to pop up here, and we're going to click on yes, connect, and done. Chloe and Ali is now connected to Shopify. So simple. So whether you have this with Google Domains or with Namecheap or GoDaddy, just do the automatic connection and you'll be set. Now, if you have any issue connecting it automatically, you can just do the manual option and follow the instructions that pop up on the Shopify dashboard. So here we are. The domain is connected and doing its thing. And we have chloeandali.com SSL. The security thing is being populated. And when we come back to this, we'll see this in green. And this will be our primary domain for the online store. So all we have to do is go to our chloeandali.com instead of going to this long Shopify string, that URL, chloeandali.myshopify.com. Everybody, make sure you don't use your My Shopify link when you go to publish your store or go live. You need a custom domain for branding purposes and all of that stuff. Always think from the perspective of a customer. When last did you shop at a .myshopify.com subdomain, in your life? Never did you ever do that. Don't be that guy to be the first to expect sales to come from your .myshopify.com link. Get yourself your custom domain and appear professional. And that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.